So check it out. Everything's here, put to the side. We're gonna bag it up later, but let's go ahead and make that sauce. Get you some butter. I used a ton of fresh garlic and I chopped it up finely. So I'm gonna use 4 sticks of butter, all that garlic. Go ahead and bring it to a boil and put you that Old Bay, some paprika, a ton of paprika. That is the secret, guys. Yes, put some lemon pepper. This is all you guys are gonna need. You can adjust as needed, as I did here. Put some extra paprika, start stirring it around. And another thing you guys want to do that people probably don't tell you is that seafood boil broth. Go ahead and put some of that into the sauce as well. It makes it taste way better. Bro, this thing literally melts in your mouth. It's so good. All right, so let me show you how to put this together in a bag. So we got a turkey bag actually, and we put some corns, and we went ahead and started putting some of the sausages, and then we're gonna get some of the potatoes, and then we're gonna get some shrimps. We're gonna get some of the crab legs as well. So you want to really stack this bag. I have 2 bags, so all this made 2 giant bags. I would say it's probably about 5 to 10 pounds. I didn't weigh them, guys. All right, so I don't know the exact weight, so don't ask. All I know is we made a ton of this stuff for my son's birthday, and we had leftovers the next day. So go ahead and stack this up in this bag. Try to measure about half of it. So once this is all done, here it goes. You want to get that seafood broth, hit it with one of those, some of the sauce too, 3 of them. Get some more of the seafood broth, another 2. So look, and another one of these. So if you counted, yeah, it's about 4 of the sauce that you made, and then 4 or 5 of the broth. Once it's all in there, then go ahead and shake it up just a little bit, not a lot. Don't get crazy. And now we're all done, guys. And look, I'm gonna try some of the shrimp. You know this thing's gonna be slamming. Oh my, that's perfect. If you want to get all messy like the crawfish places, boil places, go ahead and get some masking paper for paint. Put it on a table like this and get to town.